Eamcet physics problems. Eamcet 2025 physics problems. First question: two waves of amplitude. Two waves of amplitude. Amplitudes A1 and A2 respectively are superimposed. Superimposed. The ratio between the maximum the ratio between the maximum between the maximum and minimum intensities and minimum intensities of the resultant waves is 9:4. The value of a by 2 the value of a2 by a1 is, assume a1 is greater than a2. So for this దీని కొరకు this problem, the ratio between the maximum and minimum intensities of the resultant wave is given by intensities of the resultant wave. It is given by solution. I maximum is to I minimum. That ratio is 9:4. So here we can write I maximum by I minimum is equal to 9/4. 9/4. So this we can write I maximum means a1 plus a2 whole square by I minimum means a1 minus a2 whole square is equal to this. We can write 3/2 means 9/4, and this is we can write on taking square root both sides. A1 plus a2 by a1 minus a2 is equal to 3/2, and on cross multiplication we take 2 into a1 minus a2 is equal to 3 into a1 plus a2. This is 2 into a1 minus 2 into a2 is equal to 3 into a1 plus 3 into A2. And we can write 3A2 minus this 3A2, and we take this 2A2 to this side, and 3A2 plus 2A2 is equal to this is 2 into A1. This is 2 into A1 plus A2, and this is 3 into A1 minus A2, it is there. This is 2A1 plus 2A2, it is equal to 3A1 minus 3A2. This is minus is there on cross multiplication, and this 3A2 minus 2A2, this equal to 3A1, and this minus 2A1 will come. Okay, and this equals to A2 is equals to, this is A1, and uh, this will be 3A2 minus, yes. Eamcet physics problems. Two waves of amplitude two waves of amplitudes A1 and A2 respectively are superimposed. The ratio between the ratio between the maximum and minimum intensities of the resultant waves is 9:4. The value of the value of A2 by A1 is, assume A1 is greater than A2. The options are A 0.66, B 0.20, C 0.75, D 0.44. So here solution, intensities, maximum intensity Imax is to I minimum is given by 9 is to 4. That is Imax by I minimum is equals to 9 by 4. That is Imax means A1 plus A2 whole square by A1 minus A2 whole square is equal to 3 by 2 whole square, and taking square root both sides, square root on both sides, that is A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2 is equal to 3 by 2, and cross multiplying, that is 2 into A1 minus A2 is equal to 2 into this A1 plus A2 is equals to 3 into A1 minus A2, and 2 into A1 plus 2 into A2 is equals to 3 into A1 minus 3 into A2, and 3A2 to transfer this side, and 2A1 to transfer this side, and 2A2 plus 3A2 is equals to 3A1 minus 2A1, that is 5A2 is equals to A1. Therefore, A2 by A1 is equals to 1 by 5 will come. I'm taking 5 multiple. So that is 1 by 5 means 0.2. That's why the answer is 0.20. The option number is B is correct. So next question, Eamcet physics problems. And the second question is a Young's double slit experiment apparatus has slits separated by 0.2 millimeters and a screen 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters away from the slits. The whole apparatus is immersed in a liquid medium. Liquid medium of refractive index 11 by 9, and the slits are illuminated with illuminated with green light. Lambda equal to 550 nanometers in vacuum. Find the fringe width. Find the fringe width of the pattern formed of the pattern formed on the screen. Options: A 0.95 nanometer, B 1.25 nanometers, C 1.35 nanometers, D 1.45 nanometers. Here, the given options, uh, four options are given, and solution this in Young's double slit experiment. Double slit experiment. D equal to zero point 0.2 millimeters. It is equals to, we can write 2 into 10 power minus 4 meters, and capital D, it is given that screen 60 centimeters away from the slits. That's why capital D equal to 60 centimeters. It is in meters is 0.6 meters by dividing with 100. 60 by 100, 0.6 meters. And now lambda is equals to wavelength is equals to given 550 nanometers, and this we can write 550 into nano means, and this 10 power minus 9 meters, and that is equal to, we can write 5.5 into 10 power minus 7 also we can write. And now fringe width of the whole apparatus is immersed in liquid. Fringe width formula, that is beta is equals to capital D into lambda by small d into mu. So capital D means 0.6 into lambda is 5.5 into 10 power minus 7 divided by this small d is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 4 into mu. Mu is given, refractive index is given 11 by 9. In the problem, refractive index is given that 11 by 9. That is 11 by 9. And cancelling, we get simplification. That is 9 into 0.6 into 5.5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, this is 2 into 11, and on simplification we get 1.35. This is uh, meters. 1.35 into 10 power minus 3 meters, and that is equal to 1.35 millimeters. So the answer is what? 1.35 millimeters. And here it is given that this all is given that 0.3 millimeters it is. These are all given that millimeters. Fringe width is given that millimeters, and this is also millimeters. This is millimeters, and this is also millimeters. So option number C is correct. Okay, now next question. Mm, So here it is. One more question. So here it is. The question is given: a TV transmission tower of height h covers a range of a distance small d. By how much will be the range change if the height is increased to 3 by 2 h? So this is the question. Eamcet physics problems, a TV transmission tower of height h covers a range of distance a range of distance d by how much will be the range change by how much will be the range change if the height is increased to the height is increased to 3 by 2 h. So here the solution, if a tower of height h covers a range of h covers a range of distance d, then d is equal to small d is equal to under root of 2 into h into r, and r is the radius of the earth. Capital R is the radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. So here when h dash is equals to the height is increased to how much? 3 by 2 h, and d dash is equals to under root of 2 into h dash into r dash, that is equal to under root of 2 into h means 3 by h dash means 3 by 2 h into r dash means r only, that is r, and this will be 2 gets cancelled, and this equals to under root of 3 into h into r, that is equal to 3 into under root of this we can write 2 gets cancelled అనగా. So 3 into this hr we can write, and this also we can write under root 3 by 2 into 2 into hr also we can write, and that is equal to 3 by 2 into under root 2hr means that is nothing but small d, that is equal to under root 3d by 2. And now the range distance will change by range distance will change by, that is delta D is equals to D dash minus D. It is nothing but D dash means under root 3D by 2 minus D, that is minus, that is 3D, and D dash is nothing but this, and minus D will come here, 3D by 2 minus 2 HR to HR, D dash minus D, and D dash means 2HR, and that is 3 by 2 D, under root 3 by 2 D. Yes, minus D will come, and that is equals to 3 by 2 H minus D, distance D dash to dash. So that is nothing but this under root 3 by 2 into small d it is, and this will come 3 by 2 into small d, minus d is there, that is equals to under root 3 by 2 minus 1, and taking a d common here, and the range change of distance is given by under root 3 by 2 minus 1 into d. This is given that root of 2hr means that is d only, that is root of 3 by 2 into d, root of 3 by 2 అంతవరకే రూట్ ఉంటుంది into d. So root of 3 by 2 into d minus d means root of 3 by 2 minus 1 into d. So the answer is, this is the answer. So now the options are given here. First option A, root of 3 by 2 d, and B, root of 3 by 2 minus 1 into d, C, root of 3 by 2 plus 1 into d, and D option small d. So in this, the option B is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.